Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common plumbing problem, a P-trap that just barely doesn't line up. Before you go cutting pipes and making major changes, you can try using one of these PVC flexible P-traps. This one's made by Fernco, and unlike those other corrugated flexible traps, this one has a smooth interior, so there's no risk of a clog. These install using two hose clamps and are slightly flexible, so they can handle minor misalignments without issues. These clamps are pretty easy to install. You just tighten them down with a screwdriver, being careful not to over tighten because that can cause more problems. This P-trap works with both 1.5 inch and 1.25 inch plumbing, which makes it super versatile and good for pretty much any situation. Now that all of the plumbing has been connected, it's time to test out the new drain and make sure everything works. I start by closing the drain and then filling up the sink with plenty of water. I've sped up this part of the video obviously, but once that's done, I can shut it off and then open the stopper. As you can see here, the water drains nicely, it goes down nice and smooth, and there's no obstruction of the flow that you would have with those other flexible traps. And taking a look underneath the sink, everything's dry and we have no leaks. So if you have a sink drain where the P-trap just barely doesn't line up, this PVC flexible trap is perfect. I'll have a link to buy it in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.